Dekat sisi pun dah ada kan yang macam yang fotografer.
Ada.
Tapi bukan orang kita kan?
Ada. Sekejap. Ada sikit je tak amat.
Macam agak rasa macam orang yang Indonesian yang haha. Amokan. Mapan.
Parliament, not the parliament, it's the president house. In the center you will be seeing the president house, and on the right side when we go there, when we were there, on the right side you have the parliament. But each area you have, this is the way which is direct from this side from India Gate to the president house. The president house and this way which we calculate the way, which is 2 miles distance from this side to that side. In kilometers it's like 3 kilometers. What is the story behind this? Because this is a memorial, it's not the monument. It's a memorial which was made in the respect of the soldiers who died in the First World War. Do you know when it started, when it ended, what the year would be? Yeah?
When it ended,
19...
ended in 1945.
No.
No.
No. It was started in 1940 and it was ended in 1980.
Okay.
Yeah, just 4 years. And in that 4 years we lose 74,184 soldiers. And just after 1 year after that, in 1919, we have one war as well, which is the third Afghan war between the Afghanistan. In that also we lose 13,300 soldiers. So more or less it is more than 87,000 soldiers who died in that. And of all that 87,000 names of all the soldiers we have on the pillars of the India Gate, which are encarved from the front, left, right and the back side as well, everywhere. And as we don't do the discrimination by the caste as well, that's why we have all the names of Sikh, Muslim, Indians or the Hindu or the Muslim. Every person, because some of the person who do the discrimination at that time as well, because of the caste also, because of the religion as well, but we don't do any discrimination. That's why they have all the names of all religions. And in the center which you are seeing the statue, which is the statue of the Subhash Chandra Bose, because he was the leader of the military army. And he boycotted the making of the bullets, which are, at the time the bullets were made of the skins of pigs. He boycotted that thing. Then after, when he started making of the bullets by him, and he started making of the metal and only the gunpowder. That's why he got, because whenever in the military we have some achievement, we have one star for that. That's why there is one star on the front of the foundation. That it's a big star which was given for the Subhash Chandra Bose for boycotting the bullets of the making of the pigs, the skin of the pigs. That's why. Then after when he boycotted that, he got shooted on his chest. Then after he was back. After this, when we have First World War, then after we lose 87,000 soldiers. In that, that's why they made the statue of him for commemorating the respect towards them as well. That's why this way, which is from here to the direct to that, which I showed you, there is a traffic light in the center of the area, which is of the parliament as well. Till that area, we calculate the distance from here to that side, and this is way which is called Kartavya Path. Kartavya, which is a Hindi word, which comes for the responsibility of our soldiers towards India, and the Path for the way. It's a responsibility way which they follow at the time of the independence, because they were fighting against the British people for having the independence for them. That's why they named this way as Kartavya Path. And on the special events like the 26th January and 15 August, we have a very huge parade which is consisting because we have 3 armies. All the 3 armies represent them in the first when they start the parade. Then after the 29 cultures of the India, because we have different states and different cultures. And as now we are having 29 states. That's why every different culture by every different state. Then after we have 22 languages in India as well. And then after the languages representation by the skit plays, or the songs, or the speeches after that. That's why it is being a very long parade.
Very long parade.
From
Okay.
that part to this part, then after the another part of the old Delhi. Because after this we'll be going for the old Delhi. Then after we'll be having the another sightseeing of the new Delhi part. Because the other parts which are some little far from this side, so that the old Delhi is just near to this area, which we did that. Okay. Now we'll take the good picture from the center of this area, because when we follow this yellow line, which is the center of the ecosystem.
Oh.
Dapat tahu history ya. Itu banyak nyusul di India gitu. Ya kan kosongnya kan, entah. Kalau kita ambil gambar di sini dulu aja kosongnya kan. Macam kononnya parlimen tu is responsible for dia kena
See, because of the Copernicus, the ruler at the time of the British person, and the hexagon because of the shape, the hexagonal shape. And this is the way which is direct from this side to the president house. And in this year, the circular the parliament and the triangular parliament, the new one and the old one. This is stop and this being running in the time. So, we have the three underpasses like this, 1, 2, 3 for crossing these roads. I tell you just now, because manually we cannot do. And this area, because when we were coming from that side, I showed you these buildings, which are the presidential building or the ministries at that area. I showed you there. That's why this is the whole area of this area. In the center, you can see the National War Memorial, the statue which is there.
Yeah.
In the center, and at the back side we have the National Stadium as well, the Arun Jaitley Stadium, which is for the cricket as well, as you know.
Yeah.
The last two matches of the Delhi Capitals was there. Yes, and we have the 2 metros as well. Just these ones, the yellow and the violet line.
lawa makcik.
Kenapa?
Kemet lawa makcik.
Oh.
This is the 3D map of this area, which shows us there. One of the person who was taking the India Gate for their home. Taking the pictures of this area. And the National War Memorial, the statue which I showed you there, the statue of the Subhash Chandra Bose. And this is the stadium, the National Stadium. And I showed you the circular one, which is the circular parliament, and the new one, which is in the triangular shape.
So that one is empty now, this one?
Yes, now they're shifting everything to this side to this side.
Oh.
Yeah. Because they just want to keep safe as a evidence the British persons. No, because, yeah, nothing other than that, because they are using this one.
So should it become a museum or
Yes.
something? Yeah.
After some time, if they try to make that museum, they will make. But not this time, because they just put the barricades and just keeping safe. So, and this is the President House, which I showed you there as well, and the National Museum, and the Prime Minister's house also just beside to that area. When we were on the Vijay Chowk, which was the roundabout of the Parliament, and we go left of that, we will be seeing the Prime Minister's residence as well. These are the old pictures of that area. The President House, then the chambers, and in this area no houses, no ministries at the time. And this was the time 1947 only, before the independence of the month, because we got the independence 15 August 1947 and it was April 2047. The parade, which is like the marches, then do the stunts, the tanks, bikes and everything, they have this side. And on these areas, at the time we don't have the chairs. That's why the person are standing to see the parade. But after the time, at this time we have the chairs as well. Whenever we do the preparations, we put the very long lines of the chairs and everything for the people. Because this time we are having the pass system. where we have to buy the pass. Then after we can sit on the chairs
Oh.
to see the parade. Yeah. And this is a 3D picture. The circular and the triangular one. All this area will be with the trees and everything because this area is like no
Everything.
no trees. As like that, there's just a 3D picture.
Ini nampak cantik.
Jadi murah.
At the time, this was like this.
Oh.
We have the chairs like this. It's a long queue for the chairs and at the pillars. Whenever, because on these days we have special guests from every country. Last year, the last month, which is the 26th January as well. At that day, we invited the Indonesian Prime Minister.
Oh.
That's why. At the day we are having the Indonesian flag and the Indian flag together on these pillars.
Oh, okay.
Whenever the person comes from which country,
Dia put
we
the-
put
They
the
put their
flag
flag.
of that country on that. Just tell me because I know I walk very fast. Because you know I'm a yoga athlete, that's why I have two strong legs and like. काफी अच्छा कह रहे कैमरे में मत देखना If you want the picture from here as well, you can go. Everywhere, inside, outside, at every side you will find the names. And you will find every like the Muslim, Sikh and the Hindu and Muslim is there. First name at the down one, which is named the Gibbon STM, which is a Christian name as you know. And just down of it, this is like Sher-i-Zaman, which is like the for Muslim. And the Gujar Singh is like for the Hindu. And the Bagaul Singh is like for the Punjab, the Sikh people. You want to have a look? Let's have a look. No worries. Whatever you know.
Ambil gambar dari foto. Ambil daripada ni Syafiq.
Dia lotus kat tengah.
If you want to take a unique picture of this day, you can take from that corner, which capsules is in the triangular shape.
Oh.
Take some back.
Dia bagi kau angle.
I know every unique point for the picture.
Kau tahu sebab sekali kat bawah.
Dia kat lantai.
Tak dekat dia. Orang datang sini semata-mata nak check dia punya star tu lah. Akan go market.